have somebody with a red dot, a miniature red dot system, I tend to believe that this person has a little bit more advanced training. They've done their research, so I'm a little bit more confident. But you might be that person that somebody recommended that you get an RDS system, a red dot system, and you learn with that. And that's also okay if you show up in that fashion. We're not going to talk about sighting distances, how to sight in the red dot, but I'm going to show you how the picture should look like. So if you have a red dot sight, this is the window. Okay, this is going to be your window, and this is the actual red dot. You're going to place a red dot somewhere in that window, and your red dot, it's always going to move. Okay, it's always going to move. You know when it doesn't move? When you're dead or you're standing still. Humans always move, so it'll always be like this. As long as you have great trigger control, then you should be fine. Okay, so you have it somewhere around here. Okay, and then you'll take the shot. So again, it won't stand still. It'll be somewhere around here. Be superimposed just like this.